Strange noise from JOROTO water rower. How to fix it. Hey everyone, I need your help today. I've been using my JOROTO water rowing machine for a while, but recently I started hearing a strange noise while rowing. The noise seems to be coming from the water tank. I thought that maybe it was an issue with the water, so I refilled the tank, but the noise is still there. As you can hear, this is the noise I'm talking about. It wasn't there before, so I'm not sure what might be causing it. I've checked a few things, but I haven't been able to fix it yet. So, I'm reaching out to you. If anyone has encountered this issue with their JOROTO rowing machine before, or knows what might be causing this noise, please let me know in the comments. Any advice or tips would be really helpful. I'm also going to send this video to JOROTO support, and I'll be sure to update you all if I get a response or find a solution. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate any help you can offer. If you think this video might help someone else, please feel free to share it. Thank you again.